All right, let's look at two more ways that we can divide by 6. Two more strategies we could use. The first one is A. It says write a related multiplication fact. This is my favorite way. It's our triangle with our fact families. So if I have 24 and I know I'm dividing by 6, 6 times what equals 24? 6 times 4 equals 24. So 24 divided by 6 equals 4, or 24 divided by 4 equals 6. Another way that I could figure that out, if I didn't have my multiplication table right in front of me, is I could say, okay, I need to do my factors of 6. So, or my multiples of 6, sorry. So 1 times 6 is 6, 2 times 6 is 12, 3 times 6 is 18, 4 times 6 is 24, 5 times 6 is 30, and I would just keep on going until I reached at least 10 times 6, so that I had all of those things. But if I look at 24, 24 divided by 6 equals 4, or 4 times 6 equals 24. So I have those facts right there, and these are my fact family numbers. So blank times 6 equals 24. 4 times 6 equals 24. So 24 divided by 6 is 4, or 24 divided by 6 is 4. So this is using our fact families, or related multiplication facts. Yesterday we looked kind of very briefly at using factors. Today I want to look a little bit more at that. Use factors to find 24 divided by 6. So when you do this, you're always going to look at your divisor when you're going to use factors. And you want to write out all of the factors you know that can be 6. So I know that 1 times 6 is 6. I know that 2 times 3 is 6. What about, and then it goes 3 times 2. What about 4? Does 4 times anything equal 6? No. 5 times anything equal 6? No. So these are my factors of 6. 1, 2, 3, and 6. They're the only ones that I have. And I've written like a little rainbow line showing you which factors go together. So 1 times 6, or 2 times 3. If I wanted to break 6 down into factors, I would do 2 and 3, because those are smaller numbers that I can work with, right? And I know that they're factors because 2 times 3, or 3 times 2 equals 6. So to divide using factors, I need to say, okay, I can say I can say 24 divided by 6 equals something. Well, if I use my factors, 24 divided by 3 equals 8. And then I take that answer, the quotient, and I pull it down, and then I divide it by the other factor, which equals 4. So let's try this. 24 divided by 2 equals 12. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. So you can do the factors in any order that you want. Like if you're more comfortable by 2s, counting by 2s than by 3s, then I would do the largest number, your dividend, by 2, and then bring this down and divide it by the other factor. As long as you use both factors, this strategy will work, because I still end up with the correct answer. Okay, so this is using factors to divide by. So you're using a smaller number to do division instead of using 6, which is a larger number. So these are two more ways that you can divide by 6. So far we have drawing an array or a picture. We have using our fact families, and then using factors. Today you're going to do share and show and problem solving, and then you're going to check your work. It looks like they have you using drawing a picture using your counters. And then find the unknown factor and quotient. This is fact family work. On this one, they just want you to find the quotient, which means find the answer. Problem solving. Find the unknown number. On this first part, it looks like you're finding quotient. On the second part, it looks like you're finding the divisor. So using your fact families, this strategy might be a really good idea. All right, when you're finished, double check your work, please.